PIA in Central Visayas continues its mandate in communicating accurate, timely, and relevant information to the Filipinos. PIA Central Visayas is continually providing intensive support in keeping the Filipinos aware of the programs, services, and accomplishments of the government until it reaches the grassroots level. It is on track communicating the priority thrust of the Office of the President. And in the past 3 months, we have been coordinating with government agencies that execute its programs and services. This quarter in Dumaguete City, President Rodrigo Duterte visited the wake of the slain policemen ambushed by the armed rebel group in Gihulngan City, Negros Oriental. PIA provided technical assistance and media coverage during such visit. The President also spearheaded the groundbreaking ceremony of the housing project in September for the City of Naga landslide victims. Landslide victims were granted the house and lots, all for free. By virtue of Executive Order No. 70 ending local communist armed conflict, the campaign against insurgency has intensified. PIA 7 Regional Director Fayette Rinian leads the Strategic Communication Cluster of the RTF-LCAC in close partnership with different agencies in the region.
So, ang PO70 actually shifts the issue on the insurgency from military-centric approach to civilian-led approach.
During the quarter, PIA focused on the discussion of responsible use of social media and sharing of information in different LCAC presentations and talks done in Bantayan, Bohol, and Negros Oriental.
Kami sa gobyerno, we are encouraging government agencies to also use the internet or online platforms para ang matao makaibaw sa programa sa isyo ng agad sa gobyerno.
In addition, the Negros Oriental Information Center conducted a briefing with members of the Association of Negros Oriental Public Information Officers on Dawin security updates and the NOTF-LCAC as the province hosted 15 focus areas of the LCAC. On September 10, Jenny Tilos of PIA Negros Oriental appeared in a radio interview in 2 radio stations, namely DYJL and Like Radio in Gihulngan City, to promote LCAC and the whole-of-nation approach to end insurgency. Celebrating the annual Araw ng Siquijor last September 17, heading the Programs and Promotions Committee is the PIA's Siquijor Information Center, where they participated in various activities including the one celebrated the week prior to the big day. PIA Regional Office and the Bohol Information Center assisted the PCOO during its Freedom of Information talks and caravan in the province's state universities to promote the Freedom of Information website as well as the recognition of FOI student ambassadors.
The freedom of information helps me in my research, in being an empowered individual and being an active citizen here in the Philippines.
PIA also provided technical assistance and media liaison during the pre-SONA press conference and students' engagement with Secretary Martin Andanar of the PCOO. The Dagyawan festivities, a consultation held among government agencies and the people to identify the needs, problems, issues, and concerns of the grassroots, was covered and assisted by the PIA in the region. The Dagyawan was also brought to Gihulngan Negros Oriental on September 10, where 16 national government agencies in the Serbisyong Malasakit Caravan provided basic services in Barangay Trinidad, Gihulngan. PIA also exerted maximum effort in accommodating information dissemination on different alerts for media and the public during the dengue outbreak declaration of the DOH this quarter. The region made press releases and social media cards which informed the public in the region the different measures to take to prevent getting dengue. PIA is also a member of the Task Force on African Swine Fever in the Cebu province, where the regional staff attended meetings, disseminated news releases, and produced fora in combating the entry of the swine diseases in the province and in other parts of the region. In line with the anti-illegal drugs campaign, the Rehabilitacion was also brought to the region during the month of August, where PIA in the region helped in giving out media advisories, media coverage, as well as documentation from the Karkar City leg of the Rehabilitacion down to the Cebu City leg of the activity. For the past quarter, PIA Central Visayas has accomplished 444 news releases, 1,061 SMS, 154 text blasts, 732 local issues and concerns, and 159 technical assistance. PIA Central Visayas also attended and facilitated 52 fora, 46 radio programs, 12 radio guestings, 95 interagency meetings, and 24 press conferences. PIA is in the service of empowering communities since 1986. A well-informed Filipino is an empowered Filipino.